Interview process explained, the 5 stages to hire the best talent, HR guide. Welcome back to the channel. Hiring without a solid, structured interview process is like flying blind. It leads to bad hires, high turnover, and wasted time. The best companies don't rely on gut feeling, they use a structured, multi-stage approach to minimize bias and accurately predict success. Stop guessing. A structured interview process is the key to minimizing bias and maximizing the quality of your hires. This video breaks down the 5 essential rounds every effective hiring pipeline should include, from initial screening to the final cultural fit check. Learn how to structure each round to assess specific skills and make data-driven hiring decisions. Today, we are outlining the 5 essential rounds of the modern interview process. We'll tell you the goal of each stage and which skills to assess. Round 1. Initial screening and application review. This is the first gate. The goal here is efficiency, eliminating candidates who clearly don't meet the minimum requirements. Application and resume review. Filter for absolute non-negotiables, required years of experience, mandatory certifications, or legal eligibility to work. The recruiter phone screen, the 15-minute check. This quick call, usually 10 to 15 minutes, serves 3 purposes. 1. Minimum viability, confirming minimum job requirements and salary expectations. 2. Logistics, confirming availability for interviews and notice period. 3. Basic communication skills, reassessing verbal clarity and enthusiasm. Goal of round 1, to create a small, qualified pool of candidates who are ready for a deeper time commitment. Round 2, technical skills assessment, the proof. Once we know they meet the minimum criteria, we test the core competency. The goal here is objective, measurable validation of job-specific skills. Types of assessment. Depending on the role, this could be technical roles, a coding challenge, a system design test, or an analytical problem set. Marketing creative roles, a portfolio review or a short take-home assignment with respect for their time. Sales customer service roles, a role-play scenario. The interviewer. This round should typically be conducted by a specialist or a senior peer who deeply understands the technical requirements. They must use structured grading criteria to avoid bias. Goal of round 2, to verify that the candidate possesses the hard skills required to perform the core functions of the job. Round 3, managerial behavioral interview. Now that we know they can do the job, round 2, we need to assess how they will do the job. This is the managerial round, typically led by the direct hiring manager. A. Focus on STAR, situation, task, action, result. Use behavioral questions focused on past performance. Questions like, tell me about a time when, or describe a situation where, the STAR method forces candidates to provide concrete examples, making their answers easier to evaluate objectively. B. Key competencies assessed. Problem-solving approach. Delegation and prioritization skills. Dealing with conflict, internal-external. Motivation and fit for the specific team dynamic. Goal of round 3, to determine if the candidate's working style, attitude, and experience align with the immediate needs and challenges of the team. Round 4, cultural and values alignment. This is often a make-or-break round, typically conducted by a peer, a cross-functional partner, or a senior leader. The goal is to assess alignment with the organization's core values, not just the team's style. A. Core assessment, values, not hobbies. We are not looking for cultural fit, which often promotes bias. We are looking for cultural and values alignment. Do they value collaboration if your company values individualism? Do they value transparency if your company culture is opaque? B. Key competencies assessed. Ethics and integrity. Learning agility and growth mindset. Attitude towards diversity, sex and inclusion. Goal of round 4. To ensure the candidate shares the foundational ethical and behavioral principles that define your company culture. Round 5. Executive final review and offer. This is the final validation. This round is usually a brief, high-level conversation with a senior executive or department head. The purpose. This interview is less about detailed skills and more about confirming. 1. High-level strategic fit. Does this candidate understand the company's mission and their role in achieving it? 2. Candidate experience. It's a chance for the executive to sell the company and finalize the candidate's enthusiasm. The decision. Once the final interviewer signs off, the hiring team gathers all the objective data, scores from rounds 2, 3, and 4 to make the final, data-driven hiring decision and prepare the offer. Conclusion, summary, and call to action. Remember, a structured 5-round process, screening, technical, managerial, cultural, and final review, ensures that every aspect of the candidate is assessed fairly and objectively. This is how you move from guessing games to confident hiring. Which of these 5 rounds does your organization struggle with the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more HR strategies, and ring that notification bell.